Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if your feet looks like this, so dry, so cracked, like all like that, all like this was the condition of my feet before I did a pedicure at home. Like you can see from far, they are almost cracking, but I was able to fix that, and this was the result, which I really love. I love my feet while they're like this. So this video is to show you that the clacking of the feet is purely because of dead skin, because after I removed the dead skin, that's how the feet look like. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and let's start. So I started with some lotions, then pink salt, and then I'm going to add that, then baking soda ash. So I'm preparing all these so that I can soak my feet. Then shower gel, you can use the shower gel, or you can use the shampoo, anything that you have. Then after that, warm water. So this is the real deal, because the warmth in this water is going to make you like to be excited, to feel calm. So I'm showing you I'm showing you again the condition of my feet before that, and then you will see later. So soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes if you can, or 10 minutes if you still can, but soak your feet. Even if you are able to soak your feet like every day, it will be so important. One, it is going to help in the relaxation of your muscles, and then two, it's going to soften the dead skin around your heel, and therefore when you are exfoliating or scrubbing, it burns so easy. So do that until you can be able to remove the dead skin using your nails, literally. Can you see that? Yeah, so these shows that it is ready for exfoliation. So I'm using a foot file, a broken foot file for that matter. Don't judge, I did break it sometime. Sorry, I did break it some time back, but I'm using it. I'm still using it. It is still functional. So the whitish thing that you can see falling off is the dead skin. So please, this is the dead skin. Like if you have seen my feet before, they looked like they were almost cracking. Yeah, it's because of the dead skin, because I'm telling you, after this they look so smooth, so soft. So it's upon you to decide, do you want to have your clacked heels or not, because look at that, it was so much. Oh, don't judge guys. So that foot file, it's kind of leaves the feet not very smooth. Okay, what do I say? So I'm using this pumice stone to smoothen the surface of my heel, if you get it, like so that it doesn't look like someone was cutting it, or I don't know, grating it, something like that. So I'm using this just to smoothen and just to ensure that the surface of the feet is smooth. That is why I'm using the pumice stone, and also guys, to remove the dead skin. So guys, if you haven't subscribed until now, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. Then I'm going in with a DIY scrub. This DIY scrub, it has cloves, it has turmeric, it has sugar, honey, and I regret using turmeric. So it's good for the skin because it helps in smoothening of the skin, but this time in particular it was not the best option, because one, my nails had brighter polish, and therefore it means that it was tinted by the yellowish of the turmeric. But all the same, we move. I've learned next time I won't do that, not unless I have a darker polish. So smoothen everywhere to remove the dead skin, even on the upper part of the feet. Just smoothen. So these will also help the moisturizer all your feet to glow from a distance, not just the heel but even the upper part of the leg. Yeah, so just even in between your toes, because those points also dead skin hides there. So just ensure that you are cleaning everywhere. Just have clean feet. That was all I can say. Yeah, so guys, I've been struggling with consistency. It's been a month since I posted, but I'm here, I'm back again. I've been struggling to shoot and all that, but I'm trying. So finally, after rinsing off, it's smoothening, and I want you guys to see the difference. the same fit but very different. Now the initial one, the heel was looking like it wants to crack, but if you look clearly right now, nothing of such, there is nothing like that. And they look so smooth, they look so good. So thank you for being here. So I really love the feeling of these feet right now. They feel so clean, so soft. Yeah, and they also look so pretty, like so clean. Yeah, they look so pretty. It's like open shoe, I'll call in my name. They are calling all my three names. Yeah, so I really, really love this, and I would want, or I would wish the same for you. So please make sure that you try these. Yes, so try out and see you in my next one. Make sure that you subscribe. Bye bye.